In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right access for your teammate or advisor. Before we start, make sure you're logged into Xero with a role that's allowed to manage users, such as an administrator or advisor. Begin on the Xero homepage after you sign in. If you work with multiple organizations in Xero, look at the top left corner of the screen. That's where the organization switcher lives. Click the organization name to confirm you're in the correct company file before you invite anyone. Keeping an eye on this prevents you from sending an invite to the wrong place. Next, open Settings. Depending on your layout, you might see it listed directly, or you might access it through a menu near the top of the page. Settings is the control center for your organization preferences, and it's where you manage who can see and do what. Inside Settings, choose Users. This page shows everyone who currently has access, along with their status and permissions. It's a good snapshot to review before adding someone new, especially if you want to match or model an existing permission set. Now click Invite a User. This opens a simple form. You'll see fields for the person's details and options for what they can access. Take a moment here. Accuracy really matters because Xero uses these details to deliver the invitation. Enter the first name, then the last name, just as you want them to appear inside Xero. After that, enter the email address they'll use to log in, use a work email if possible, and double-check spelling to avoid bounced invites or delays. Next, set the permissions based on what the person needs to do. You can allow access to areas like bills and invoices, bank reconciliation, reporting, or more advanced features like advisor-level access. Choose only what's necessary for their role. This follows the principle of least privilege, which protects your financial data while still letting people get their work done. If you're unsure, start conservatively. You can always return to the user's page later to adjust. When everything looks right, click Send Invite. Xero emails the person a secure link to join your organization. Until they accept, you'll see their status as pending on the user's page, where you can resend or revoke the invitation if needed. That's it. You navigated to Settings, opened Users, invited a new person, set their permissions, and sent the invite. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to add another user in Xero.